My loves, I am delighted to gift you this Heirloom Eggs free printable. We've got this flapping butterfly on the front here, and we've got another little butterfly tucked in this little tuck spot here, which equally could be stuck down inside the card there. And we can take out our little egg, which is two-sided. It's got this beautiful hair on it, a rabbit, and we can open that up and we've got another little writing space and another little card there. So you've got two cards in one, really. You can also use this in your journaling. You could cut this down, you could make a pocket out of this, all sorts of different things you can do. Now, it has been designed to go along with my Heirloom Eggs printable kit. Let's have a quick look at that before we dive into this free printable. Inside the Heirloom Egg kit, we've got all these little eggs, and the bag itself is one of these fold flat designs that I am absolutely loving. Really, really nice. And it's got these integrated handles. You can pop a bit of ribbon around that. Really cute little thing. And you've also got space in there for some little mini chocolate eggs if you want to. Now, our Heirloom eggs are absolutely gorgeous, and they look like this. There are 6 of them in the kit, and they're all two-sided. And we can open each of them to reveal, let's get that the right way around, to reveal another little egg inside that's got a sentiment in it. And that just keeps this egg firmly closed. Here's a lovely one with a chicken and 2 chicks. And inside we've got small changes still count. That's a little sentiment in that one. And they've all got little sentiments in them. And they fit in here like that and go along with the free printable. Let's see how I make this. Here we are then, my loves. I've got my bits and bobs cut out. This is a 1-page printable, and I'm on a 200 gram. You could go 250 if you want to. I'm not reverse printing. If you want to lose the white paper, by all means print with a pale backing sheet of your choice. I'm sure you've got lots. Right, where shall we start? Let's start by folding the card in half like this, and our little pocket here, we're going to glue on the bottom and the 2 sides. Like that, leaving the top clear. And I'm going to position this. It's designed to go so you've just got a little bit of lace, can play peekaboo all the way around, which is a really nice little touch. There we go. And now we've got our 2 eggs, we've got our 2 butterflies. I have inked my edges as well, and we've got this Spring Blessings label. Now, I do like to make pockets and tuck spots where I can, and even though I might not use this, I think I'll just pop a little bit of glue on the narrow edges and pop that down so it's nicely positioned in here. My big butterfly I've earmarked to just bend those wings a little bit, pop a little bit of glue on here and position that on your pocket, and then you've got this butterfly that will flap its wings. Egg here, you can treat it in one of several different ways. You can keep them separate, so you've got 2 little journaling tags to tuck in your pocket, or you can glue them together. I'm going to glue them together. They fit back to back, and then you can either glue them at the top to open like this, or you can glue them at the side to open like this. And I'm going to glue mine at the side. But before I do that, I'm going to score this front piece down the left edge here. I just want to line this up on my scoreboard. Pop, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch or so underneath. See if I can get that quite nice and straight. Make myself a score there. Fold that round so that the front of my card will open once it's glued down. And I'll pop some glue. Where I've put that fold there to the left of the fold. Glue these 2 pieces together. So that when I come to open my card, it will open like a normal card, like that. So that, my loves, is your little free Easter printable. And this butterfly here that I had earmarked to pop inside, which is a very nice little addition, could equally tuck under this little tuck spot that we've made here. So that's nice as well. There we go. And that is to go with the heirloom eggs. You don't have to buy this kit. This will stand alone. You could cut this in half if you wanted. You could make a pocket out of it and stick it in your journal, or you've got a lovely little Easter card there. Have fun with that, my loves, and I will see you next time.